How to unmute chat in Brawl Stars. Now, first things first is you will only be able to see this specific option if you are currently on a team. Now, right now, I'm trying to create a team, but you can only access that option if someone will join you on your team. So as you can see, I have already created a team, so let's try to lead the team first. So again, all you have to do is to go ahead and join a specific team. Now, this has a certain specific unique codes for you to be able to join. Now, once you already join a team, there will be an option right there to unmute text. Now, it's not actually unmute chat, but what you need to find under the settings for Brawl page is gonna be the unmute text. Now, once you unmute text, by the way, before you pull up that specific option, once you join a specific team, the general option or the default option will be on unmute text. Now, all I have to do is just to go ahead and get into your team and then just simply tap on unmute text so you will be able to unmute chat. So that's it. That's how easy and quick you can unmute chat on Brawl Stars.